In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into settings and scroll down right away to access security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on Permission Manager. Following that, tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like for example location, and select one of your apps under one of those categories. I will go with Snapchat. Finally, you can apply the best option for you by tapping on it and go back. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can set Snapchat just gained access to my device's location. If you want to, you can also pick any feature, just to find an app that you wish to manage. When you find it, click on it, and instead of selecting any of those options, click on See All Snapchat Permissions. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!